Hey my loves, this is Reshma here. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I have shown a very simple function makeup which is easy to do. Keep watching the video. Next I am using this eye cream from Himalaya under eye cream. This will help to avoid creasing and it will also give an eyeshadow a very smooth base. Next I will be using this corrector from my Glam palette. It's a 3-in-1 palette which has corrector, concealer and foundation. It's creamy and it gives a very nice texture to your skin. Now I'm going to blend this with the help of a sponge. Just dab it all over your face to give an even look. Now I'm going to start with the eyebrows. I'm not going to overdo it. I'm just going to give it a light touch, or you can say a shape to my eyebrows and fill the areas. Now I'm going to do the correcting part and I'm using this concealer to hide my dark circles. I'm going to set this with the help of the setting powder and I'm using this powder from My Glam Post HD Banana Powder. Now we'll be starting with the eyeshadow part and I'm using, first I'll be doing is the contouring part. I'll be keeping my eyeshadow very simple yet shimmery. Now next would be the eyeliner and I'm using this liner from Maybelline. Next would be the mascara. I'm using this mascara from Maybelline Hyper Curl. Now the foundation, and I'm using this foundation from Sugar Ace of Face Foundation Stick 5-7 Romano. Now I'll be quickly blending this with the help of a blending brush and I'm using this brush from PAC brand. Now the setting powder, and I'm using this setting powder from My Glam HD Banana Powder with the help of PAC brush. Now we'll be doing the contouring and I'm using a brown lipstick and I will be just dabbing on the upward position with the help of a sponge. Now I'm using this blush from Color Bar with the help of PAC blush brush. This blush is in the shade of 016 Sweet Scarlet. Now the highlight part, and I'm using this highlight from My Sugar in the shade of 02 Gold Glory. Now I'll be giving an outline to my lips, then filling this with a lipstick, and I'm using this shade from Matte Me. Now last but not the least, setting spray, and I'm using this spray from Color Bar. And here we go. Do try out this look, guys, and do let me know in my comment box. Last but not the least, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.